Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to another session of folding some origamis. In this session, we're going to be doing a cup. It's a simple cup. You can put something inside. And originally, it's not supposed to be like this. It was a flat. It's like a flat piece of paper, and then you can bend it as a gap, but there's no way of standing it. So I just added this this sort of stand. I just fold the sides in so it can be put on the table. It can stand up on its own. Sorry, the wind is kind of strong, so well, technically if you have a flat table, then it can stand on its own. So well, you can try. That's one method, but today is gonna be very short. Okay, so let's begin. Oh, and by the way, I changed my cloth to white because I think because of the contrast between the whites of the origami and the black of the darkness of the previous cloth, so it kind of like zoom in and out constantly. So hopefully in this case it should not zoom in and out as much. But let's start doing our cup now. Okay, first off, as usual, start off with a triangle fold. Okay, I'm gonna fold it upwards, and then we're gonna fold sort of like that. So when you fold one flap to the side, ideally you want this part to be parallel to the bottom line. So we're not gonna do like this, we're not gonna do like that, so we're gonna do something like that. I think there should be a proper angle of doing this, but now I'm just eyeballing it. So okay, crimp it this way. Okay, turn it over. You're gonna do the same for the other side. So basically we try to match with the back side, but if you can't match it, then it's okay, just match as close as you can. Okay, so now there's two flaps up here. We're just gonna fold this front flap down and this back flap back. Okay, and then for the front flap, we're gonna put it inside the corner that so wait, let me just put it in a more okay, so there's a gap here, so we're just gonna slide this front flap inside the corner. Okay, and then we're gonna do the same for the back flap, or actually this should be the original front flap, but it doesn't matter. So just open the corners flap here. Okay, and just curl and slide it in. Okay, you can crimp it to make everything neat. And then you can just pinch the sides, and hopefully it will open the middle. Not this one, it should be the middle one. So this is the middle. Yeah, so once you open it, ta-da, you have a cup or a French fry holder. I think I should have made it a red color, and put some yellow scribbles here, and then put some yellow sticks here, and it becomes a certain franchise thing, But yeah, I mean, this is very simple. For me, again, they didn't mention anything about doing the bottom part, so you can leave it as it is. But for me personally, I would like to have a bottom for it to stand on. So if you can see inside, it looks like a flat bottom. So in order to do that, we just like pinch, not pinch, we push, what's the word? Well, we kind of push this arc. It will naturally form this arc because of the shape of the fold. So, and then you just sort of pinch the sides. Okay. And then you just fold it in. Okay. So ideally, when you look inside, it should like there's a flat. I think the lighting doesn't help. So, but yeah, it looks like it's. So technically, it should stand. But because this paper is quite light, so okay, there you go. So it stands. So yeah, I mean, you can maybe glue this to a table or something, and then you can put some small stuff, or maybe glue it to a paperweight. You know, you can glue it to paperweight, and then you can put some small stuff inside. Yeah, this is a very simple fold, very practical. And does it stack? I think it stacks. Oh, it does stacks. That's cool. Wait, sorry. Focus. Okay. So yeah, if you did more, you can stack it up. So that's pretty cool. So that's how you fold a cup. Yeah, very short session. I think it's only like how many minutes? 6 minutes, 7 minutes. So yes, thank you for watching. The next session will be a swan. Okay, not a crane. Where's the crane? Not a crane, but a swan. So okay, another bird animal. At least not another crane. I did too many cranes there, somewhere there. Yeah. So okay, thank you for watching. Have a good night, good day, and bye bye.